This is a 2011 Ram truck. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, full power accessories, a CD player, a Sentry key theft deterrent system, a full-size spare tire, tinted glass, an anti-lock braking system, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, and this vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. This truck also has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Moritz Chevrolet Chrysler Jeep Dodge is located at 9101 Camp Bowie in Fort Worth. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.